Welcome to DuniyaTV Aapki Screen Par. What a match this has been between Pakistan and South Africa. And what a day for the young sensation, Saim Ayub. From the moment he stepped on the crease, there was something special about his timing, his confidence, his intent. The crowd could feel it. Something big was coming. Saim Ayub started steady, picking up boundaries with grace, a flick to fine leg, a punch through covers, and then a cracking pull shot. Every stroke spoke of class and control. Facing the fiery South African paces, he stood tall, balanced, calm, and full of purpose. That cover drive at the 10th over, pure gold. And when he reached his 50 off just 52 balls, the entire stadium rose to applaud this young left-hander. He wasn't done yet. With every delivery, he looked hungrier. Lofted shots down the ground, perfectly timed cuts through point, and that trademark flick straight into the fence. The partnership grew, the pressure on South Africa mounted, and Pakistan's chase looked smoother than ever. Saim Ayub made batting look effortless, a blend of elegance and power. Finally, on 77 runs, a mistimed loft brought his innings to an end. But by then, the damage was already done. A knock full of courage, skill, and pure cricketing beauty. He turned the match in Pakistan's favour and gave the fans a reason to cheer once again. What a performance! Saim Ayub's 77-run masterclass against South Africa will be remembered for a long time. Stay tuned for more cricket action, only on DuniyaTV Aapki Screen Par.